The air smells different everywhere I go. The beats of the music change, and I'm not the same person I am back home. The extent of my belongings and responsibilities fit inside my little backpack. And as I cross people on the streets, in coffee shops or a market, there's no chance they know who I am. They say a man is least himself when he talks in his person, but give him a mask and he will tell you the truth. Traveling is my veil, and as I meet someone new every day, I find out a little bit more about myself. There's a certain sanctitude, in the sound of dry leaves crackling underfoot on a trek, as there is in the laughter of people that sit around a leaping bonfire. And the image of a setting sun lighting up the horizon with myriad shades of pink, red and gold stays in my head long after I'm asleep. For someone who's grown up in a concrete jungle, these experiences show me how the other half lives. And more than that, how I could live one day.